Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu wa ahdah. Zakat over property. Any house or property which has been purchased with an intention of living or residing in it, so no zakat will be assigned on it. Similarly, if any shop is purchased for the business purpose that is to be carried out in it, that shop is also not eligible for zakat paying. Also, if you are purchasing any property with unsure intention of residing and selling it, zakat is also not payable here. However, if any property is purchased with the intention of gaining profit by selling it, so all such properties, if they are equal to zakat threshold, so each year their value should be calculated with their current rate, and then 2.5% of their zakat must be paid according to Islamic laws, Islamic Sharia. In another case, if a person have purchased a property on an intention to gain profit out of it, but later his mind changed and did not intended to gain profit, but he desires to build a house on it, so there also zakat is not applicable. If a property is given on rent, so no zakat is applicable. But if the rent is accumulated with the owner and the owner is already eligible to zakat threshold, that is equal to 52.5 tola of silver or more than this, so it is compulsory for that person to pay zakat. And if the rent is spent on daily expenses and it is not saved, so zakat will not be applicable.